I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a professional cleaner since 1985. What this video will do is it's how to pick a product. So it's going to go over some of the basic details of my different product lines and how they can serve you. Full details are at bonnetpro.com. What Bonnet Pro kind of seeks to go after is to be a little different than the marketplace. So our products are not crystallizing. They're a different type of polymer that to me is more advanced. It holds the encapsulated soils better. It doesn't crunch. It doesn't leave dust afterwards. So to me it's a cleaner polymer. We work hard to get you a great smelling end cap. So you not only enjoy working with it, but your customers enjoy you working at their properties. So if we look at some of the product brands, we have Revive It, which is hydrogen peroxide based. So we have Revive It Rocket, which is citrus and hydrogen peroxide. Confidence is almost the same formula, but we take out the citrus and we add a little bit of fragrance. So you have two choices here on scent, but basically the same product. That or any of the other products can be supported with Revive It Oxy Spotter. So this will take out organic stains such as urine out of a mattress or coffee or tea or pomegranate juice or wine. So this will take out the heavy duty organic substances and remove them, whereas traditional cleaners aren't going to touch them. If we move over here to Omega, we have our specialty spotters for synthetic red dye or rust or gum and grease and those types of specialty things that you won't use often, but these are a great tool to have on your truck to help support your whole cleaning operation. On the right we have Surround. Now what makes this a little different is on the bottom we have Surround Ultra, Downy with Lemon scented. We have Surround Free, which is completely odorless, no scent at all. And then we have Surround Ultra with ProFresh, which uses zinc-based odor neutralizers and has the great ProFresh scent. Same cleaning product, 3 different scents, if you will, so that way you just have 3 different choices. If you need a little bit more strength, we move up to Omega, Surround Omega, and what that is this product with more grease cutters added to it. So it's a little bit more expensive, but it also gives you more punch. Then we have the first enzyme end cap detergent ever approved or certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute, CRI, which is Surround Omegazyme. So this is this product plus a 7-strain bacterial enzyme package which goes after greases and fats and oils, so it's great for dirty restaurant type grease in your carpeting. And again, any of these products can be used with extraction or end cap, low moisture, CRB, those types of processes. Since people like ProFresh scent so much, we have a straight ProFresh Deodorizer, an ounce or 2 in a quart. You can spray it and Febreze it, or 1-to-1 for cat urine. We have Guardian Protector, which is excellent for helping your carpets to stay cleaner longer and be easier to clean on subsequent cleanings in the future. We have Surround No Rinse Encapsulating Spotter, and in many cases you don't have to rinse, and this can even take out some permanent markers and ink blends and some of the heavy stuff, so it gives a little extra support. And these two mixed together on filtration lines or pre-spraying steps are a great team together. Put a trigger in each, hit them both, and fantastic results. And we even have Brightall Booster, which is like a commercial OxyClean. So the Revive and the Surround line can do a great deal to support your cleaning operation, make you the legend in your town, so when your customers see what you can do, how it smells, how it looks, they'll be more than happy to refer you and call you back again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions at all or you want more detail on any of these products, go to bonnetpro.com or call me at 877-477-1615 or email me at info@bonnetpro.com. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.